Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. My name is Angela, and today I wanted to talk to you about steering wheel covers. So this is my F-250. It's a Super Duty Ford, and we bought it a few years ago now. I guess it was like 2.5 years ago. And we put this steering wheel cover on from Amazon, and it was like $17, but it's like starting to like peel. I hope you can see that. So like the outside of it is like peeling off, and it's not great. It's up here too. So it annoys me. So I thought we would get a new one, and this time we got leather. We also ordered it on Amazon. This one was $60 though. And honestly, I thought it was ugly on Amazon on the pictures, but it was the most affordable one that was real leather. So we got it home, and it's really not that bad. It's kind of hard to see. Can you see it? The little dots. In the Amazon pictures, it looked like the design was more noticeable, I guess, than it is in real life, and it looked kind of cheap. But in my hand, it feels really good and it looks good. So we're going to remove this one and install the new one. Okay, so to remove the old one, you just grab it and kind of loosen it, and grab the back of it and start peeling it off, and it should come off. So there you go. And then we'll get the new one, and there is a crease on it. I think you can see that. Maybe it's right here, and we'll want that to be on the bottom. So remove the insert that keeps it firm during shipping. So we'll place this on the bottom, and we'll center it as much as we can. And we'll just open it, and we'll just do, like, you know, basically the opposite of what we did to get the other one off. Just kind of twist it. Just keep opening and sliding. Wow, this is oh, almost there, folks. We did it. Okay. Whew, for a minute there, I thought I was going to have to get Jason. But no, we're tough. We're strong. We can do it, right? Okay. So now you just want to push it and make sure it's straight. How you like it? And there it is. Okay. We like to have these on here because it's easier to grip when you're driving. I can literally just kind of hold it with a finger instead of having to grab the steering wheel, and I have arthritis and stuff, so it's easier to grab something that's bigger to hold on to it. And it protects it, you know, from the sun and all that stuff. So hopefully this one will last longer than 2 years. I guess we could do an update video and let you know in a couple years, right? Okay, so that's it for today. Okay, one more thing. If you guys could please like our channel, subscribe to it, share it with your friends. It would really help us out. The subscribe part especially, because we can see there's a lot of people that watch the channel that aren't subscribed, and it would really encourage us to make more videos for you. And we really enjoy it, and we appreciate you watching and are just so grateful for each and every one of you. And we'll see you in the next one.